It's new, it's exciting. It's the gamex Triathlon Accra 2013, a social and gaming entertainment platform for all ages and status in Ghana's coolest and finest recreational center, the Lizzie Sports Complex in East Legon, on the 2nd, 16th, and 30th of August 2013. The gate opens at 6 p.m. each day. Come with exciting prizes by participating in our FIFA 2013 tournament. The overall winner takes home a cool 1,500 Ghana cedis, products from our sponsors, and a trophy. Register and participate in the video gaming tournament with 30 cedis only, or pay 25 Ghana cedis entry fee and enjoy our exciting side attractions like 3D movie screening, poetry, art display and exhibition, and our celebrity game showdown. And you might just be the lucky one to play games with one of Ghana's favorite celebrities. It's gamex Triathlon Accra 2013. For participation and registration, call 0242 268 143 or 0200 222 897. You can also visit our Facebook page at facebook.com/gamexnow for more information.